Did you know that 90% of traders lose money while the top 1% seem to get richer every day? What's their secret? In this video, I'm going to share trading insights that Wall Street doesn't want you to know, secrets that could change the way you trade forever. Stay tuned, because by the end of this video, you will understand how to beat the odds and start trading like a pro. Welcome back to Prince Sam Official, where we break down the best strategies to grow your wealth and live financially free. If you're new here, I'm Prince Sam, and today we're diving into some powerful trading secrets that could completely transform your portfolio. If you're tired of just breaking even or watching others make all the gains, you're in the right place. Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more strategies on trading, investing, and building long-term wealth. Let's jump in. 1. Understand market sentiment. Wall Street knows how to manipulate market sentiment. Ever wonder why markets crash or soar suddenly? Often, it's not because of what you see on the news, but what's happening behind the scenes. Big institutions use fear and hype to move the market. Here's how you can read between the lines and use market sentiment to predict future price movements. 2. Risk management. The hidden key. Successful traders understand that it's not about how much you make, but how much you keep. Wall Street giants focus on risk management. They know when to cut losses and let profits run. I'm going to show you a simple risk management strategy you can start using today to protect your capital and maximize your gains. 3. The power of diversification. Ever wonder why Wall Street portfolios are so diversified? It's because they spread risk across multiple assets. I'll teach you how to diversify your trades, so when one market goes down, another can go up, balancing out your portfolio. 4. Leverage technology like a pro. Wall Street traders use advanced algorithms and tools to their advantage, but you can leverage simple yet powerful tools too. From automated trading software to AI-powered apps, let's explore how you can integrate these into your strategy for smarter trades. 5. The psychology of winning traders. Behind every successful trade is a calm and disciplined mind. Wall Street traders know how to remove emotions from their trades. In this section, I'll walk you through some psychological techniques to help you avoid emotional trading and stick to your plan. So, we've uncovered some of Wall Street's most guarded secrets, from understanding market sentiment to mastering the psychology of trading. The difference between the average trader and those who thrive on Wall Street isn't luck, it's strategy and discipline. Now, you have the tools to join that 1% who consistently make profits in the market. If you found these tips helpful, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and share it with someone who needs to see it. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on the latest strategies to boost your financial success. If you have any questions or ideas for future videos, drop them in the comments below. I read and respond to every one of them. Thanks so much for watching and taking this journey with me into the world of trading. Remember, success in trading takes time, patience, and strategy, but you've already taken the first step by being here. Until next time, this is Prince Sam saying, Prince Sam Official loves you all. See you in the next video.